Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create this simple effect, but the main thing you will learn today is how to use depth of field on transparent material. And I'm using transparent material in my particles in Niagara in UE5. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, these particles near to the camera are very sharp. You can see the heart shape properly, and the particles are far. They are very blurry because of depth of field. So how I did that? So let's do it again, and I'll put the files in my pattern so you can check. So let's create a new folder actually here. Okay, and in this new folder, I'll create a new label, and then I will create a label sequencer. I will open this new label and I'll open this level sequencer. Okay, and you can also drag this level sequencer here, then you can use autoplay. So when you play, this sequencer will play. Okay, and you can use loop. So you have this sequencer, and let's say you create a particle system, Niagara, and I take the fountain, and I take, let's say I take a grid, spawn particle in grid, and I don't need all these velocity and other modules. So particles are just spawning in a grid, and let's say I just want x and y, then particle size maybe 10 ton of the mass, and I'll increase it to maybe 100 and 100, and then you can increase the gap from here if you want.